What's up, YouTubers? Welcome to a fucking rainy day. Sorry guys, but I'm kind of angry right now myself. So I tried to do something nice earlier, and I really can't do nothing nice except just sit around. Here we are with my safety glasses. So here we are today, guys. Sorry that I cussed, but like I said, I can't really do nothing good in no one's eyes except for mine. So let's pull this stretchy hair dryer cord over here. So here we have a hair dryer. Here we have the hair dryer. What do you think we're gonna do to a hair dryer, guys? What do you think we're gonna have fun? What do you think I'm gonna do here? I know what I'm gonna do. Little stuff underneath me. Okay, so first, let me lock my fucking door so no one gets in here. Because I know how people are. Oh, let's go next. 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 Yeah, man. I don't give a fuck what it's doing. As long as it don't fucking bother me. Alright. So like I said, sorry about the goddamn rainy day. Alright, you guys. Remember this tool? Remember what happens to the hair dryers versus this tool? You remember that? Okay, so here's what we're going to do here, guys. So here's what we're going to do. These blades are really thin, really thin. So I was just checking it out earlier. And so here's what we're going to do. Hear that? Holy hell! How many blades does it break? One? Only one? Wow! Going. Uh-oh, guys. I think our fan motor is done for. Here we go. Oh, shit. Here it goes. Oh! What a pussy! Oh god, guys, that was some cool shit right there. Ooh, and it's hot too. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. I'm just playing. Ooh, damn. God. Where does the shattered wheel go? Let's see how hot the wheel is right here. Oh no, I'm not touching that. Oh yeah. That is hot like a fucking firecracker, dude. Okay, let me grab my scissors way up here. Yep, okay. So yeah, guys, earlier, I was trying to be nice, and look, my filter broke. So, never, just so you guys know, just Demolition Devin here talking, just so you guys know, never be nice and clean things. If you guys have bad luck, just don't be nice and clean things. Like, I'm just being nice there. If you guys are blind like me, never be nice and clean things. Because it'll always come back at you hard. So here we are, we're going to cut the cord off of here. And I'll show you what the cord looks like. I'm just letting you guys know for advance. You guys are cleaning your mom and dad's what do you call it? You guys are cleaning your mom and dad's air conditioner out. Don't do it, because the filter will come in a brick. That's the type of luck I always have, guys. So here's our cord. A little bouncy cord, eh? A little bouncy cord. Little bouncy cord. Okay. I don't even know where that fan went. Holy hell. That was a pretty hot motor. That's pretty cool how it did that though. Oh yeah, yep. Where did the fan go? I don't even know where the fan went, dude. It said, bye bye, see you later. Man, that was pretty cool. If I could show them how the fan looked, I could show them, but I don't think I could. The fan's gone, guys. Alright, now it's time to see what's inside of this little old hairdryer here. So yeah, this was from a little hotel room. My grandma brought it back from Springfield for me. I got a steam mop out there. I'll probably destroy it tomorrow or the next day. I got an old steamer out there too. But I'm not going to destroy it on YouTube because it don't work. No lie, it don't work. You hear something weird, guys? Ready? Ready, guys? Guys, listen. Oh shit, that's hot. God. Guys, excuse my language, but God. Holy hell. This thing is severe hot, dude. So yeah, like I was explaining myself this morning, this probably has been used for several months, years, or however you want to say it. And it's probably got so much hair out around it, and it's like, oh, you know, and it's probably like, oh no. And so basically, it needed to die. So guys, what do you think I should do with this yo-yo cord? I call it a yo-yo cord because it's weird. See? It's weird. See how bouncy it is? I call it a yo-yo cord. What do you think I should do with it? Comment down below. Do you think I should use it for something fun? Or do you think I should just throw it away? Comment down below. So you guys see what happened to my shop back there? I took the fourth wheel off because the fourth wheel kept blowing on me. Yeah. This hair dryer is about the old, same age probably. Not the same age as me probably, but I don't really know, so I'm not into that. So yeah, my buddy decided to check it out on this one. He decided that he was gonna do it with me, but he decided to be a chicken. At the last minute, he decided to be a chicken and check it out on it. So. You okay? Alright, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, you guys. We fried this motor here. This motor's hot. Oh, okay. So here's our little turbos, little board and stuff. I don't know what you really call it, but I call it a turbo board. And there's our fan. This is the fan. And there's all kinds of screws and stuff laying here. And oh, smart. Of course, this is a Springfield hotel, so you gotta have one setting on this thing. And of course, you know how Springfield hotels are. Wow. Oh my god. These people are so weird. So, I'm pretty sure this is a Comfort Inn hotel. This is the Comfort Inn thing. Oh, look what I broke out. Guys. Look at this handle. Look. That is pretty weird. Look at that. Look at that little bitty thing. For what do you call it? For a little hair dryer. It puts out some steam. I gotta admit. No, it's not a little warm. That's not as warm as it was earlier. It's not as warm as it was earlier though, guys. It was pretty warm earlier. It was like a warm, just like that. I was like, oh no, I blew it up. And I did blow it up too. You guys can see there, I blew it up. Not really like that, but you guys know what I'm talking about, of course. So here's our board with our panel and stuff. Our board panel, or whatever you call it. This here is basically the thing that makes it go back and forth. Again, like I just fucking said, we're gonna have damn fucking rain all day. Excuse me guys, but sorry guys. I don't like rain. Comment down below who does like rain and who doesn't. Alright. So this is our cord system here. There's our little cord system there. That there holds all your stuff together. If I can get this apart here. I'll stop in a minute. And also, I know one thing. I don't believe the news. Sorry guys. Alright you guys, I'm going to take this apart so I can show you what's inside here. Damn rain guys, goddamn rain. Excuse me for my language, but I hate rain. One screw. Let's try to see if I can get 2 damn screws. Ha 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 ha. Oh guys. Demolition Devin's so serious today. Demolition Devin's is having one of those days, guys. Oh dang. Oh dang guys, look at this. Look, see that guys? I don't really know what that's for, but I think that's like a tag or something that's on there that reads their hotel name or some crap. What else? What else is fell out here? We all know screws. Sorry. Okay, that saved it. Look at that. That rubber fuse saved it. I can't believe a rubber freaking fuse saved a freaking... Can't believe a rubber fuse would save a hairdryer like that. I can't believe that, guys. A rubber fuse would save a dang hair dryer. Alright guys. So you guys like this? Comment down below. Last shot here. Here's our heating element. And there's our hot motor. I'm pretty sure it's not hot now, but it's hot. It was hot earlier. I know I broke that fan off that wheel. I don't even know where the fan went. I just know I broke it. I know I broke that fan. Wherever it is. I'm pretty sure when I broke it, I'm pretty sure Larry got it, so. Larry's like, good food, guys, good food. Alright, guys. You guys like the video, whatever. You guys can comment down below. Demolition damage. Here. One last thing, guys. Look at that. Look how crumbly that paper is. Look. Look at that, guys. Alright, guys. You guys like it or whatever, comment down below. Demolition Devin signing off.